Today we have a very exciting test. It's called a spacecraft acoustic test. Essentially we're trying to ensure that when we put our spacecraft and payload on a rocket and it starts to be hit with the sound pressure and vibrations of a real rocket launch, that it will survive and not suffer any damage.
For us to take this and go to a facility, as opposed to having the facility come to us, it would cost us at least 2 months of schedule. And then all the handling risks, as you see today, it's a very delicate process. You minimize the risk to the hardware, which is critical, and also you minimize the schedule impact, which is not just time, but it's a boatload of money.
The big advantage of our method of doing acoustic testing is in the portability of the system. So rather than shipping a satellite to a test chamber somewhere across the country, we can bring the test equipment right on site to where the satellite is.
Beautiful job by Dan and his crew. It gives you a lot of flexibility, and you can get a lot of results on the table quickly and without risking the hardware, and also it basically saves you money and time.